What's going on, everyone? This is Kevin here, coming at you with my hands-on and first impressions video of the Google Pixel 4a. So let's get started. This is the Google Pixel 4a. This phone is a gift from Google, and I am a member of Team Pixel, but I'm really excited to have the opportunity here to check out the device. Now here is the box that the phone does come in. Now I did already set up the phone for the sake of saving time, but let's open it on up and see what all we get. So first thing is the phone. We have some literature here and also a SIM card removal tool. We have a double-sided USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. We have a USB OTG adapter, and we have an 18-watt USB-C wall adapter. So we get all the essentials that we need included here in the box. Now here is the actual Google Pixel 4a itself. Now this phone features a 5.81-inch display. The display itself is OLED at 1080p. It does look really good. It's nice and bright and clear with great colors. We're getting a PPI of 443, a 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, and an 83.3% screen to body ratio. Now this phone does feature a hole punch for the front-facing camera situated off to the top left, and the front-facing camera is 8 megapixels. But you can see with the overall design here in the front panel, we have small bezels, with the bottom bezel maybe being slightly larger, but in general, a very modern look here with the phone. With the Google Pixel 4a, we are getting 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and the phone does not support microSD card expansion, so you are limited at 128 gigs. But that is quite a bit, and I'm glad that they are giving us that level of storage. Now there is no wireless charging here with the phone, but we do have a fingerprint sensor on the rear, so we'll give that a try right now. And that's a very fast fingerprint sensor. We'll try that out one more time. That's very quick, and I like the placement of it as well. It's very easy to reach. Now we do have a single 12.2 megapixel rear camera, and the rear camera and front camera both have the ability to take portrait mode photos. Internally with the Google Pixel 4a, we are getting the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor with 6 gigabytes of RAM. Now video recording with the phone maxes out at 4K at 30 FPS. We're getting a decently large 3140 milliamp hour internal battery with 18-watt fast charging. Now as far as the software goes here, we are getting the Pixel experience. I did install a variety of my own applications, but I like that we're getting a very clean build of Android. Everything here is silky smooth. It's very refined, and it does feel like a premium experience, which says a lot considering that this is one of the most affordable Pixel devices that's ever been released. But now that we've gone over the specifications of the phone, let's take a closer look at the hardware. Now taking a look at the left side of the phone, we actually have nothing. Then taking a look at the right, we have the volume button and power button. Then on the top, we have the noise canceling microphone, and we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Then on the bottom, we have the speaker, microphone, and USB-C port for charging and data transfer. Then on the back of the phone, we have the camera module with the flash, and we have the fingerprint sensor. And we also have the logo. But in general, it's a very minimalist design here. And I like this material on the back a lot. It's kind of a soft plastic material, and in general, the phone does feel very solid. Now I have had a chance to go out and take some photos and videos with the device, and so far, I'm extremely impressed. Everything looks really good, and I really don't have any complaints. You're gonna get great looking pictures with this device. And sure, while there's only one camera on the back, that does give you some limitations because you're not able to take ultra wide angle photos, but the portrait mode works extremely well, and photos in general just look fantastic. So yes, there are some compromises when it comes to features that you're getting, such as not having an ultra wide angle camera, but at the same time, the main camera on this phone is very good. So considering how good that is, I'm willing to overlook the lack of certain features. And I'd much rather have just one camera, like this device has, but have it be very good, versus having multiple cameras that are kind of average. Let me know in the comment section below if you agree or disagree. The charger that you get in Europe, but I'm sure many of you already have your own wall adapters. So here is the actual Samsung Galaxy A41. Video content looks really good on this phone. I'm also impressed with the speaker quality. You are getting stereo sound with it, so that is another bonus, and something that you don't always find with devices in this price range. And having this OLED display makes content pop even more. But in general, I'm really liking the Google Pixel 4a so far. It certainly is quite unique compared to other devices that I've used in this price range. And I would say that my two favorite things about this phone, and there are other things that I like as well, but my two favorite things definitely have to be the display and the cameras. But I hope you've enjoyed this hands-on and first impressions video about the Google Pixel 4a. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one.